Hi everyone, welcome back to the Planner 5D YouTube channel. Today, you'll gain some valuable knowledge about the design battle. What is it? It's a monthly contest where you can showcase your interior design skills and win textures, renders, or the grand prize, a monthly premium subscription. In this video, a professional from Planner 5D will review the winning entry and highlight the main mistakes in the non-winning entries, helping you avoid these pitfalls and increase your chances of winning. This time, two design battles will be reviewed. Country-style living room, all black. Let's get started. The first design challenge is a country-style living room. The task was to create a living room interior in a country style. Let's start with some incorrect examples. What mistakes do you see here? The space lacks the warmth, charm, and rustic elements that define a country interior style. The sleek, modern lines of the furniture and minimalistic decor elements are more characteristic of modern or industrial styles rather than country style. Country style often features more decorative elements like textiles, personal items, and rustic artifacts. Next example. There's excess lighting in the room that is too bright. Everything is pressed into one corner and not distributed harmoniously throughout the room. There are not enough additional color details to connect everything together. And the final incorrect example, the furniture placement is chaotic and not as intended. There is no clear style or theme consistent with the battle's requirements. There is a lack of decor, textures, and accent lighting. But what might be the key to success? Let's consider the winner's works. Sofas create a cozy seating area with a functional central coffee table. Mix of recessed lights, lamps, and chandelier provides ample lighting. Well-organized bookshelves, wall art, and mirror add character and symmetry. Green sofas complement the natural wood tones and neutral walls. Another example, the wooden furniture pieces, including the coffee table, side tables, and shelving, reinforce the country style. The dark wood finish adds depth and a rustic touch to the room. The use of decorative pillows and throws with country-inspired patterns and textures adds to the coziness and style. These accessories bring warmth and a homey feel to the space. The functional layout ensures that the living room is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. The rustic decor elements, such as the mounted skull, wood logs, and antique-style lamps, contribute to the country aesthetic. These touches add character and a sense of tradition to the room. The fireplace serves as a central focal point, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The soft area rug under the seating area adds warmth and comfort. It also helps to define the space and ties the various elements together. And the third good example. Sofa and chairs are arranged to facilitate conversation and provide a comfortable, functional layout. The chandelier adds an elegant focal point and complements the rustic theme. The use of large candles and lanterns enhances the cozy, inviting feel. The vintage telephone and other accessories are well integrated and functional, adding to the room's charm without cluttering. The well-designed fireplace serves as a strong focal point. The second reviewed design battle is all black. Its task is to design a kitchen with a dining area in dark tones. Wrong examples first. What mistakes do you see here? The kitchen lacks a cohesive use of dark tones, as required by the task. The incorporation of more dark elements, such as cabinetry or wall colors, would better align with the design objective. The excessive use of warm, yellow lighting creates an overly warm atmosphere, which can feel too intense and uncomfortable. The glossy surface of the dining table might show fingerprints and smudges easily, requiring frequent cleaning. A matte finish would be more practical and visually appealing. Which mistakes are there in this example? The dining chairs and bar stools appear to lack sufficient padding, potentially making them uncomfortable for extended use. The overall lighting in the space seems inadequate, making the room appear too dark and uninviting, especially the dining table. The objects are arranged with attention to detail. For example, the bar stools fit into the space, and the decor on the table flies. Here is the final example for lessons learned. The camera is covered by furniture. The interior is not visible. The decor is not distributed correctly. Let's move on to more positive things, the winner's interiors. The use of dark tones, such as black and deep wood finishes, creates a sophisticated and luxurious atmosphere. This color scheme adds a sense of depth and richness to the space. The combination of materials like the marble floor, wooden cabinetry, and metal accents provides a striking contrast that enhances the visual interest and modern appeal of the kitchen. The sleek design of the chairs and dining table complements the contemporary aesthetic of the kitchen. The furniture pieces are stylish and fit well within the dark tone theme. The introduction of wooden elements, such as the cabinetry and furniture, adds warmth to the otherwise dark color scheme, balancing the design and making the space feel more welcoming. Next one. The dark tones combined with wood accents create a sophisticated and modern atmosphere. The herringbone pattern of the backsplash adds texture and visual interest, complementing the overall design. The reflective surface enhances the sense of space and light in the kitchen. The open shelving units offer a modern touch while providing practical storage and display space for plants, cookbooks, and decor items. This feature adds personality and functionality to the kitchen. And the last masterpiece in this review. The room has a well-thought-out zoning between the kitchen and dining area. The use of high-quality finishes, such as the stone backsplash and wooden cabinetry, contributes to the luxurious feel of the kitchen. These finishes are both durable and visually appealing. The layout is efficient and practical, with distinct areas for cooking, dining, and storage. The design maximizes the use of space, making the kitchen both functional and aesthetically pleasing. So, this was the June Design Battle Review. Write in the comments which design battle was the most interesting to you. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. We hope you enjoyed this video and gained useful tips to win future battles. See you next time. Bye.